I'm sorry?
Sorry, I don't mean to interrupt. I'm sorry.
All right, there was a order setting hearing signed after the answer was filed on January the 11th. Right?
Yes, Judge.
So how am I going to default him today?
January 11th. We sent him a notice, and the notice went out on January 13th. You sent him a certified mailing notice.
Is that 45 days?
Oh. 13. No, it is not. 13, 23, no, 30, 42. 43.
See, when he filed that answer, it triggered, I can't take a no answer default. So at that point, you had to have noticed him 45 days out for trial. Okay?
Yes.
Sandra called this to y'all's attention earlier about that answer, I know. All right, so we're going to reset this matter. Let's get on the record.
What's up, fellas? You gonna starve or you gonna pay child support? Huh? Look at them trying to get your money.
Court calls cause number 2003-59853, style in the interest of Kirsten Andrea Jones, a child. Attorney, state your name for the record.
Marla Parker, Assistant Attorney General for the state of Texas.
What's up?
Ms. Jones, state your name, unmute your device.
Latasha Jones.
All right, you're representing yourself today.
Yes, sir.
All right, state, as discussed earlier, I don't see how you're going to proceed today as a default. So what do you want to do?
No, Your Honor, we're requesting a reset to give the parties proper time for notice or proper notice.
All right, so, Ms. Jones, I'm sorry, but I can't proceed as a default today because they didn't have long enough notice. We've got to give him 45 days since he filed that answer. Our reset dates, Ms. McPherson, is June 30th?
Yes, sir. It's June 30th.
And let me see. What's our ID number?
922-2207-9058.
So we got a beta mail.
Ms. Jones, you're going to need to write this down. You have something to write with?
Look at
Yes, sir.
All right. So, for the record, court notes the presence of Latasha Jones. Andre Jones is not present. Ms. Jones, I'm resetting this matter for trial on the merits for June the 30th of 2021 at 8:30 a.m. That's June 30, 2021, 8:30. Trial will be conducted via Zoom. Your Zoom ID number is as follows: 922-2207-9058. You want to read that back to me? Make sure you got it.
922-220-79058.
Correct. All right. With that, then, this will serve as your notice for trial on the merits. If you fail to appear on that date, the court may proceed in your absence, and you don't want that to happen. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So we'll see you then. Sorry for your time lost today. Have a good day.
Thank you.
All right. Miss Parker.
Bitch got a job trying to get some more money.
Be noticed. All right.
Yes.
Fuck out of here.
Because if you don't get him noticed, we can't do anything. All right.
So you said it's 40 days from the day he filed the answer?
Well, you've got to give him once he filed that answer, it constituted an appearance. Y'all didn't file the notice of hearing until after he had filed his answer. In order to notice him for trial, you've got to give him 45 days notice.
Okay, okay.
prior to trial. And we're not within
If
45 days.
niggas
right?
getting on child
It's like
support by
40
these
checks.
dumbass
2 days.
whores,
We're missing 2 days. That's what it,
they can't
You gotta
read,
be careful
bro.
when they file these answers, and I know y'all are doing this new procedure, but when that answer is filed, you got to make sure you get notice out to them ASAP when the next whatever settings occur. Okay.
I think this is an issue that's happening with the new service, the way we're doing the service now. I think that's what's happening because it's the second case that the person gets served and they filed an answer and we're not sending the notice immediately.
Okay.
Okay.
Remember you got to do.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Days.
I'll do the case log. Magali, I'll do the case log on it, okay? I mean, you can do your notes, but I'll do the case log for it, for the notice.
Okay, no problem. I'll make a note.
All right.
Okay.
Reassignment. Which number?
Oh, Miss, I don't know, 32 or 25. You want to do 25?
Just give me a number. 25.
Yes, page 25.
All right.
Yeah, okay.
Y'all just sit tight. I'm gonna break
Hello?
this shit down.
Good afternoon, or is it Mr. Wallace?
Tell Jonathan to come over here. Yes, he's coming right now.
All right.
Okay. Hey, tell him to come over here.
Look at these hoes. They just want some money. Look at the fat bitch right here.
Mr. Wallace, are you with us?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Wallace, I'm going to assign you to one of the attorneys to talk about your case.
Yes, sir.
All right. Miss Magali was in 15. All right. She'll be right with you, Mr. Wallace. Don't hang up. She'll be right with you.
Yes, sir.
All right. He's in 15.
Yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir. Nigga ready to start a deal. That nigga ready to
All
die.
right. So that's page 1. The Jones matter reset.
This ain't the court, man. You see, this a joke.
In the morning. So page 12 is the only one from the morning that we've got out still.
Look at this big
Right?
6-head bitch.
I'm checking right now. 12,
Look at her.
12.
Look at this cock demon.
Right. Oh, that's the default that she got right before. Yes. And that's everything else I have a disposition for.
All right. We're still working 30. So 32 is still out.
Ooh, I'm gonna tear this up,
Yep,
fellas.
32.
They're still in the waiting room.
They want some
Right.
money.
We're waiting
Look,
for someone to come back on that.
Well, if Tasa gets done, then we can assign her that one.
I just went to Magali.
Check on Wayne. See what his status is.
look at this cuck,
And
man.
Wayne on 28. Page 28.
Fellas, this is not death row, all right? You're gonna be on death row if you starve yourself. This is a fucking
Judge,
joke.
I'm gonna run to the copier. I'll be right back.
Okay.
And look at that thing talking about she finna run to the copy. I'm glad she ain't showing her ugly ass. Yeah, these bitches are evil, fellas. They evil. They sit on their ass waiting on your paycheck to eat.
Oh, I see what happened.
Look at her. Oh, I see what happened. She see a red lobster meal.
Wayne's still working, Judge.
And look at Wayne. Wayne look like he sucked cock him and old boy, don't they?
Read order, Wayne.
Cuckoos.
I'm working on a default.
Oh,
Look at I'm working on a default.
Well, no, to answer your question.
These are the old cucks that's taking niggas'
these
money.
Things are PMRJ defaults. So takes a little while to put it together.
Okay.
Are y'all ready to leave or something?
No, Miss Parker was just thinking you were over there taking a break.
Footman.
And I wonder
Footman
what Wayne's
Johnson.
doing and
Look at
and
the
I'm gonna
bed
go check on
winch.
him.
The bed winch. We in Black History
I'm
Month.
not-
No worries.
My customer might have gone home.
This is
though.
the bed winch right here. Niggas love black women. Look at her. Look at the black woman is the agent of child support. I told y'all.
I was just checking. We have one more case left, so I was just checking on everyone's status.
I've been there for like 10 minutes working on a PMR.
So many of them are PMRJs.
Let me get off this bullshit. Let me get off this bullshit. I'm just showing y'all something. Now we about to start, man. I'm just showing y'all something, all right? This is Sham Stoppers. We run this child support shit. We ain't giving it back. You know what I'm talking about? We reserve all our rights. Waive none. Okay? Topic today. Would you starve to death or pay child support? Now you just seen the demons on here, right? You seen them, right? Like I had a conversation with Nomas last night, and I said, hey, how was your child's mom making it when you weren't around? Did she have money? Yeah. So guess what, fellas? The bitch gonna have money without the child support order. She gonna find a way. She gonna hustle. She don't need your money. She want to spend your money to go fuck another dude. That's why I'm telling y'all, what y'all rather do? Starve to death or pay child support? Because it don't take nothing but $12 to feed a child for a week. $12. Do the math. 12 bucks. And then you got this stimulus check, talking about the third stimulus check. Does child support affect stimulus payments? Well, let's see. And it's another thing about these Democrats. They don't have no money. They gonna make deals with other countries to get money in their pockets. They not gonna starve though, but they here to make you starve. Your baby mama is your problem. She the one that's put these people in your life. So I answer this question again. What would y'all rather do? And I'm gonna open up the phone line. Would y'all rather starve or pay child support? 512-663-3815. We broadcasting live out of Austin, Texas today. You know what I mean? I'm not paying child support and I'm not on child support. I didn't pay the bitch support when I met her. So why I'm gonna give her some money when we ain't together? And fellas, remember this saying today. Her outcome is not your income. I'm gonna put it up in the room. You ready for this? Her outcome is not your income. You heard it first on Sham Stoppers. You heard it first. Her outcome is not your income. What's up, everybody in the room? You don't owe nobody for your children. You're not renting them out. None of that. Couple people left. Some people agents coming in and out, some people leaving and going out, but that's okay. You know what I mean? All the free shit, the army and free shit people drop in and drop out. I ain't putting up no book today. I'm talking shit. Whether you starve or pay child support. Because guess what? We just seen some people in the courtroom who want free shit, who want your money, who don't want to come suck your dick, rub your balls, wash your back. You know what I mean? But they want some money. They want to order. They want to make orders. You can go to the restaurant and go put in your order. Nigga, this ain't a restaurant. I'm not a waiter. You know what I mean? Her outcome of life ain't your income. A woman is put here to provide food and clothing. Let me hit y'all with some shit. When Aaron left the house, did Samson dad pay child support? Huh? Did Moses and Aaron pay child support? Moses and Aaron left for 20 years. Didn't come back home. Had to go do God's work. Now we got too many coward ass niggas on this planet who scared of women. And you just seen beta males and women is determining your income because you didn't prepare for your outcome. They did not pay child support. Let me tell y'all something. Did King Solomon pay child support? And he fucked so many hoes. Did he pay child support? He had bitches bringing him gold, clothes, silver, and everything. Fellas, you ain't supposed to be spending no money on no bitch. And if you do spend the money on a bitch, she's supposed to get a reward. You supposed to give her some money for her sucking your cock right, washing your balls, you know what I mean, upkeeping the house. You supposed to give her allowance. Because at the end of the day, you ain't supposed to give her no allowance when y'all divorced. You ain't supposed to be in agreement when she fucking up. She broke the motherfucking the covenant, the marriage license. Fellas, I keep telling you, if the bitch can go file a divorce and not get charged for breach of contract and be thrown in jail for breaking God's law and breaking the contract with the state, fellas, you know this shit is fraud and fake and phony. Wake the fuck up, nigga. If a bitch can file for divorce and breach a contract, you can breach the child support order, judgment, agreement, whatever. You can change your mind too. If a bitch can change your mind, you can change your mind too. Whether you starve or pay child support. Which one you rather have? Starve to death or pay child support? I'm not starving to death for nobody. I'm not. What's up, people coming in the room? We got 8 in the room. What's up, Willie? And you got people waiting for a stimulus check. This pedophile said that as soon as he get in office, he was going to give the stimulus check. Where they at? Fellas, men can't wait on people. You have to dig in, get your hustle on. It's better to hustle than struggle. Okay? You supposed to hustle before you struggle. These hoes will have money without you. She will find a way without you, regardless. She had money. She was sucking cock before you got with her. She gonna suck cock when you through with her. She gonna go suck somebody else's cock. So therefore, she don't need your money. She just want to spend your money and make you poor so the next bitch can't give you nothing. So you won't have nothing. She want to pay. Because I'm gonna tell you, let me tell y'all a story. Let me tell you a funny story. I had this bitch from Belize. I had this girl I met from Belize, and she had a nigga named Dwayne tattooed on her back. You know what I mean? And I never liked hitting bras from the back. I always want bras to ride me because I don't feel like doing all that work. So she said, so she pissed me off one day. I turned her ass over. I fucked her from the back, and she had a dude named Dwayne tatted on her back. I bust all on Dwayne. I said, thank you, Dwayne. I bust all on Dwayne. You know what I'm talking about? That's the moral of the story. Now she gone. She had 2 kids with somebody else. She had an apartment when I met her. Left her alone, find somebody else. These bitches will find a way, fellas. They mind is on survival mode. But really they want to play that emotional innocent shit so she can get the bag out of your ass. You know what I mean? You gotta let a hoe be a hoe, man. If the bitch ain't pleasing you, she don't see you as a king. She not serving you. She not bringing you food. She not rubbing your feet. None of that, fellas. You lost. You gotta keep all your fucking money in your pocket. Because that bitch got money. I guarantee you that. Bitches have money. They can play like they broke. But these hoes got money. And I'm going to tell y'all something. I've been on Facebook and women been begging for money and food. And you know this government give them everything before they give your ass something. A bitch will get anything before you because she got that pussy and that mouth. What you say? Men that put babies behind other men are also homosexual. Yeah, that's true. That's true. So fellas, would you starve to death or pay child support? 512-663-3815. Y'all want to call in, then don't call in. You know what I mean? Because it's finna get worse and worse and worse. Fellas, if you want to get married, the best advice I'm going to give you, if you want to get married, meet a bitch who got some money, who dad can pay for the wedding. If her dad ain't finna pay for the wedding, then marriage ain't for you. Marriage is an old man's game. That's an old sport. Okay? You married a bag. You supposed to go after the money. The bitch going after the money. Why the fuck y'all ain't going after the money? Use the bitch for her money. Take her money. It's time to reverse that shit. But hey, a lot of niggas been doing it. Only a few niggas been doing it. Like Sir Captain said, any man can kill a man, but any woman can be turned out. Any woman can be turned out. Any woman. If she got a pussy between her legs, she can be turned out. Fellas, I keep telling y'all, your baby mama, she gonna make it. She gonna find a way to get cash without your ass. All right? Your baby mama gonna find out how to get cash without your ass. And then whenever she get it, when y'all ain't together, that ain't your business. Let her keep hustling. I'm not starving to death behind no bitch on the face of this planet. Not even behind my children. Because guess what? She's supposed to take care of them goddamn children. The tenure years. Real talk. We ain't supposed to be up under children all the goddamn time. That's what society wants to make you be emotional about all your decisions you make. They want you to be an emotional punk ass nigga. Fellas, when you conquer those bitch ass emotions, you can do some things, okay? We done got so many niggas off of child support over here. You know what I'm talking about? So many. We the only channel that does that. There's no other channels. Because I only worry about this motherfucking channel. I don't worry about nobody else's channel but this channel. And we the only channel that's kicking ass. Aloha, Ronald Brown. And check this out. We got a testimony coming. We got another testimony coming, fellas. We got two actually from Nomaz. Well, no, three. We got two from me and Nomaz, and he got one. He got one, and I got another one. So we got three testimonies coming, fellas. Oh yeah, this some real shit over here. But anyway, I am not going to starve behind nobody, not behind no man, woman, nor child, because I gotta live inside my body. I come first. When I was little, fellas, my grandma used to cook for my grandpa. And I used to tell her, I don't like that. She said, it ain't what you like. This is for my husband. My husband gonna eat first. See what I mean? I didn't matter to her. Her husband mattered. The men in my family ate first before everybody. And that's the way it should be. Me and you eat first. Fuck it, let them starve. And you had a lot of bitches on Facebook talking about their child need milk. But they got WIC. Bitch, what you doing with the milk and you got titties on your chest? Newborn babies talking about they ran out of milk. Feeding these babies powdered milk. And they got titties on their chest. Well, some women can't produce milk, but then, bitch, why are you producing? Why are you fucking? Why are you having babies? Go be a whore. Go do this society a service. Suck some cock. Use them umbrellas. Fellas, I want y'all to do one thing. When y'all see these girls out here with them umbrellas, put them to the side and ask them how much they charging for a blowjob. I like that. Fuck breastfeeding, it's chest feeding. I like that. Like I say, fellas, this is about starving to death for paying child support. I'm not going to starve to death. They got me fucked up. I know how to go out in the wild and kill me a deer, get some good venison, some wild hog. I don't know if y'all ate wild hog. I ate wild hog, deer sausage, deer hamburgers, deer back strap, deer burgers, quail. Oh, we country over here. And it's healthier to eat from the wild than eat from the fucking store. The store, as y'all say, the store. I'm going to say the store. God damn it. Now y'all seen that court case with them clowns. Gator 2. Gator sound real good too. Hell yeah, Gator real good. Get you some Gator. Soak that bitch for 4 hours in some milk. That shit tender as hell. I know I survived in this goddamn wild. But am I gonna starve? Pay some child support? Fuck no. Yep. Quail more healthy than chicken. Real talk. Quail is a lot more healthier than chicken. What's up, man? What's up, Dion? I'm not starving, fellas. Y'all shouldn't be starving. That woman gonna in the wild, the females take the children to go hunt. They go get food for daddy. So guess what? They should be bringing food to y'all. Y'all shouldn't be going out and be see this the thing. Let me tell y'all something. They want to make y'all feel bad. Say a real man, he provide for his family. Man, shut the fuck up. Boy, you provide for these hoes then, nigga. Let's see you provide. Spend all your money, dumbass nigga. You lead by example. Then you got all these bitches out here with degrees talking about they make 106 figures. And they on YouTube. Bitch, if you made 6 figures, you wouldn't be on YouTube. And then all your money gone. You make what you spend on all your bills and your expenses. Talking about I make 6 figures. Doing what, ho? I'm a tech lady. Doing what? These bitches cannot read. If y'all late in the podcast, go to the beginning of this podcast. I played the court. They having Title 4D court on here, right? And these bitches getting mad because this dude filed an answer. They wanted to get him in default. Child support is a pedophile slave ring. Child support is a pedophile slave ring, fellas. You know what I mean? KFC producing their nuggets in the lab. Go research. Now I don't do that. I don't eat that KFC. Coochie fried chicken. I don't eat no coochie fried chicken. But anyway, like I was saying, fellas, they had the court on here. These bitches got mad because this nigga filed an answer and they can't even read. Child support payments is feeding fat bitches. Child support payments is feeding fat bitches. Your payments is feeding fat bitches, my dude. We got a new way. We got a new service that we got right now to get these niggas that want to be in your child's life, these stepfathers, these babysitters, these cuckolds. We got a new service for their ass. Call the number and find out after the podcast. You know what I mean? Y'all want to call in 512-663-3815. Would you starve or pay child support? You know what I mean? Would you starve or pay child support? I don't give my child's mom nothing. I don't give them shit. I don't do birthdays. I don't give my daughters birthdays no more. Birthday presents, money. I don't do none of that stupid ass shit. For what? Huh? For what? Let me put y'all on something. For what? What the fuck you paying child support for? Ain't no motherfucking benefit. But the bitch can go to court and file for divorce and get appraisal. Man, fuck all that shit, man. Let me put it on my favorite pimp, man. I'm gonna put it on my favorite pimp. Hold up, y'all.
You had to train.
These old punk ass commercials, dude.
Who does your hair?
All that kind of shit, you know what I'm saying? Great. You know, telling the bitch she can keep half of the money and everything, you know what I'm saying? That's upgrade. That's upgrade there, my pimp friend. You know, letting the bitch keep the money and taking days off and all that kind of shit, you know what I'm saying? Bitch asked me because she take Mother's Day off the other day. I asked her for what? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, she got a baby. But she got a pimp to pay too, though. All that kind of shit. You know, letting the bitch keep the money and taking days off and all that kind of shit, you know what I'm saying? Bitch asked me because she take Mother's Day off the other day. I asked her for what? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, she got a baby. But she got a pimp to pay too, though.
Man, my goddamn, that's one of my heroes. Now, this is some Black History Month shit right here. This is some Black History Month shit. Why they don't praise the real niggas that's out here doing God's work? Huh? The pimps are doing God's work. Okay? Bitch asked me she can take Mother's Day off. I said, for what? You got niggas in the courthouse, cuck, bald head ass, small lip dick niggas, making hard niggas out here that'll kill your ass, pay child support. Man, I don't understand the game, man. It's a cold game, man. You got pedophiles, cuckolds, making the strong masculine niggas out here that want to fight me and probably shoot me. These weak niggas making these dudes pay child support. Boy, that's a cold game, nigga. And I ain't put a nigga on child support. I don't understand why niggas was mad at me. I ain't fuck you, bitch. I ain't put an income withholding shit on your check, nigga. I should be your goddamn friend. Let me put some goddamn courts up. Let me put some Title 4D bullshit up. Wait a minute. I'm glad we got 14 in the room. Title 4D court.
Okay, this is 64 on the docket, calls 13-21135, an enforcement action filed on March 26, 2020 by the state.
Este es el número 64 en la lista. Número del caso es 21135, una acción de enforzamiento que tramitó la Procuraduría el 26 de marzo del 2020.
And let me swear the interpreter in first.
Primero le tomaré juramento a la intérprete.
You do solemnly swear or affirm to interpret from English into Spanish or from Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do.
Please state your first and last name for the record.
Jacqueline Dominguez, Master Licensed Court Interpreter.
For the parties on that case to please raise their right hands.
Las partes de ese caso, por favor, levanten la mano derecha.
Your other hand, ma'am.
La otra mano, señora.
You do solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Juran o afirman solemnemente por Dios que dirán la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad.
I heard
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Okay, and then I need Father to respond.
Necesito que responda el padre.
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hands down, and ma'am, please state your first and last name for the record.
Amada Saavedra.
Pueden bajar la mano y señora, por favor, diga su nombre y apellido para el acta.
Got
Amada
the Mexican
Saavedra.
hoes and the
And
black
sir, your
hoes.
name.
Take it down to
Y señor, su
population. Boy,
nombre.
that's some cold shit, boy.
Luis Cermeño.
Luis Cermeño.
And counsel for father, and you're on mute, counsel, so you need to unmute yourself.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, counsel for the respondent, Moses Brazino, Briseno, for respondent Luis Cermeño.
And Ms. George for the record.
Gabrielle George with the Office of Attorney General.
Okay, now appointed the public defender, so I'm removing the public defender because now the respondent has hired.
Nah, they got a black bitch. They got the angry black. Man, I know she probably suck a mean dick. Woo! I know she'll suck a mean one. She's an angry black woman. They got the women running this shit, fellas. Then you got the little cuck ass dude in here, man. This is a fucking joke. This is not death row. This is a shit circus. Hoes want y'all to bow down to them, make you get them their money while they out here freely twerking and sucking cock on your dime. She fucking on your dime. Look, what's so crazy about this shit? These women come out like they so honorable, but behind closed doors, they the biggest hoes. Behind closed doors, they the biggest hoes. Real talk.
A private attorney.
Ahora, había asignado a un defensor público, pero lo voy a retirar porque el padre ha...
And let me tell you something else, fellas. Let me tell y'all something else. These hoes are sticking together on one unit to take your money. Why us men? Why we can't come together and take their money? That's my question. I want 512-663-3815. Huh? These hoes on one accord, man. These hoes is on one accord. When you gonna see a courtroom full of niggas getting in these hoes' asses? What's up, man? I see nothing but dusty, nasty looking hoes on here. What's a few of them that look they'll suffice. But man, these hoes want slaves through your social security account number. Let's hear the shit show, man. Let's hear the shit show. Hold on, let me break some. Let's hear this a little bit.
Un abogado privado.
You may proceed, Ms. George.
Puede proceder, señorita George.
Yes, Your Honor. This is our first setting post-rights hearing.
Sí, su
And,
señoría, esta es la primera audiencia de la audiencia de derechos.
and the respondent just retained counsel on yesterday.
Y el demandado acaba de procurar un abogado el día de ayer.
And is requesting a reset.
Y está pidiendo que se aplace.
Man, judge is like she done fucked a lot of niggas in
And
her
the
day.
state is in agreement and ask that respondent be ordered to reappear on May 13th of 2021.
Y la Procuraduría está de acuerdo. Pedimos que se le pida al demandado volver a comparecer el 13 de mayo del 2021.
Okay. And I will order you back, sir, May 13, 2021 at 8:30. If you fail to appear, a capus may be issued for your arrest.
Muy bien, señor. Entonces le voy a ordenar volver a comparecer.
Now she said a capus may be issued for his arrest. May. She didn't say it will be issued. So we got to do something about that shit.
El 13 de mayo del 2021 a las 8:30. Si usted no comparece, se podría expedir un capias para su arresto.
You all will receive new Zoom hearing notification letters to appear. Mother, your presence is required or the case might be dismissed.
Todos van a recibir notificaciones nuevas con la información de Zoom.
And this is in
Madre,
Dallas.
también se requiere su presencia, si no se podría
A lot of
retirar el
hoes in
caso.
Dallas.
And the state is still requesting that you make the payments and the lump sum, Ms. George?
Yes, Your Honor, the lump sum requested in October was $4,000.
Did y'all hear that? The lump sum requested, not demanded, not forced, but requested. They giving you secrets to this bullshit negotiation. This is a negotiation court, fellas. I'm just gonna give it to you. Look at them. Do you think these people will come out the street and hunt you down? Do you think they'll come after you with guns and take your money? Huh? Let's be real about this situation, fellas. Do you think they're gonna come looking for y'all? That's why I asked you, would y'all rather starve or play this bullshit game with these people?
Y señorita George, la Procuraduría sigue pidiendo que él cumpla con los pagos y una cantidad fija. Si su señoría, la cantidad fija que se pidió en octubre fue de $4,000.
Is there anything further from either counsel?
¿Algo
No.
más, alguno de los abogados?
Nothing further at this moment, Your Honor.
All right, the parties
más
are
en
free
este
to go and have a good day.
Thank you, Your
Las
Honor.
partes se pueden retirar.
And let me give y'all something too. The people that work at child support court, they were all flunkies. They were all flunkies. All right. These were the leftover lawyers and shit who can't do hard work, because child support don't take that much reading. I'm just gonna give it to you. It don't. You know what I mean? For them, for they feel, but it's gonna take you some reading. But in they feel, child support is the easiest shit.
Tengan un buen día. Gracias. ¿Necesita intérprete, señor?
Sí, por favor.
Por favor, espera hasta que yo termine la interpretación en español antes de contestar y conteste todo en voz alta en español.
Ok, muy bien.
All right, this is 17 on the docket, calls 214470, a paternity, filed September the 17th, 2020 by the state. Let me swear the interpreter in first.
Now, we're not gonna do this. We're not gonna do this. But yeah, like I say, fellas, let's find another court. We ain't gotta do all that. Let's see what Megan Evans talking about.
Por favor, espera hasta que
Nah,
yo
we just
termine.
left her. She like the only one that's left, fellas. Let's see live. But anyway, we'll finish this on another day. The question is, fellas, would you starve to death or pay child support? Huh? Pimps don't pay child support. Kings don't either. Real talk. So what y'all think, fellas? Huh? What y'all think? What y'all think? Y'all think this old cook right here can save? He locked up more niggas than baby mamas. He locked up more black niggas than black baby mamas. And this is Black History Month, which I call it AKA Lack History Month, because a lot of motherfuckers is out here lacking. Okay? Fellas, I don't know about y'all, but I don't have no love for no bitch who gonna run to a third party when they went in the bedroom with me and her. Hell, y'all should have asked for threesomes. For now, fellas, ask for threesomes, you mess with a bitch. If she don't give you no threesome, oh well, the next bitch will. Put your foot down, fellas. Stop paying fucking child support. Get you a hustle. Learn a new skill. Okay? Learn some skills, because skills will pay the bills. Because robots gonna be replacing a lot of people. You know what I'm talking about? But it's still a lot of work to be done. There's still a lot of money out here to be made. It's a lot of money out here to be made. I see it every day. They put up this old, stay inside. So you gonna stay inside while the sun out? So you gonna let them fuck your money and be a slave? And wear panties around your mouth? And stop wearing motherfucking panties around your mouth, aka masks. Those are panties. I don't wear panties around my mouth. Hey man, well shit, y'all have a good day. Don't stall behind nobody or your children. Because guess what? Your baby mama and them gonna be fine. She had money before you met her, and she gonna have money when she gone. They gonna find a way. They gonna hustle. Keep your goddamn money in your fucking pocket, fellas. Take care of yourself. Peace.